Hello everyone, my name is Rick Haaland, the owner of eFlexonics Webcast and Social Media Solutions Group. And what we're going to do today is I've had a request from one of my clients, and it's a fairly usual request. And that is, how do you bring the embed code from a YouTube video over to a post or a page in WordPress? So are you ready? So let's go and we'll get on with the instructional video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube page. So I'm going to sign in here. All right. So we're in our YouTube page. And once you're there, just click on the picture and go to Video Manager. Now, here's a whole bunch of commercials that I've done for a client, and we'll pick the upper left-hand corner one, and we will click on it, and it's all going to start playing. We just shut that off. So you got to go down just a little bit on the page and see where it says About. Well, that will give you information about the video, but where you want to click is on the Share button. So click on Share. Now, there's a couple of different ways to share videos on a post or page in WordPress from YouTube. The first one is this. What you're looking at is the blue highlight, and that link you can just email someone and they can just click on it and it will open up that YouTube video. However, the story changes when you want to bring over embed code. So you see where it says embed right here, you click your mouse on it. So as soon as you click on it, it will bring up this and it will be highlighted. If it's not highlighted, I'll show you an example of that. If it's not highlighted like that, you just have to take your mouse and click your left-hand mouse and drag it all the way and capture all of that text. And then right-click on Copy. So we want to copy it, and then we're going to paste it over to our WordPress blog. So let's go over to WordPress. So we'd go over to .com, and of course, to get in there, we have to go WordPress admin. All right. And the reason I'm putting this up on YouTube is because this is a common question for a lot of people that have YouTube posts or pages that want to know how to embed. So you've copied your embed code, right? So that's the first half of this exercise. You want to go over to New Posts, and you want to click Add New Post. And we'll click on here, Second New Post. We can get rid of these, delete them. You can delete anything that you put up here, you can delete later, so don't worry about it. So all you have to do is click your mouse button, left-hand button here, and then click Paste. That's it. Simple as that. Now, there are a few things to be concerned about at this point. You want to go down here where it says Publisher or Publish, right here where my mouse is, and click on Publish. So that will publish your video. So let's go over and take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, eflexonics.com. All right, now, second new post. Okay, so if I click that, that's one of my posts on my pages. Okay, so now you see that video. Let's play it. And you see what happened when the transition between the actual picture of the video and when the video began. I'm all scrunched up here in the video, right? So that means that one of my video settings is off. Now, if you have other videos on the pages or the posts that you've put up there in your blog, then you have a reference point of exactly what size video that is appropriate to use. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you see, you wouldn't want the entire video to play like that, all scrunched up. So let's go back. Let's go back to here. And then let's go back to a previous post. All posts. And we will go to, say, I know that I've got a video here. It's called Community Features Review Panel. So I'll click Edit. Now, you take a look at here. Right here, where it says 420. frame width 420, height 315. On the other video that I just uploaded, I think it says 520 or 540 for the width, which is too wide, which makes it all scrunched up. So write those numbers down if you've got another video for reference, so you know that 420 by 315 is going to work, right? So let's go back to the post, all posts, and we'll go into the second post and click on edit. All right, now, you see where it says, remember that? That's 560 right now. Let's change it to 420 and see what results we get. Great. Now, after you do that, after you make any changes in your WordPress document, either a post or a page, you must click on Update right down here. Okay? So click on Update, and that will make sure that the changes have been done. Now, you see how it's all scrunched up there, right here, right where my mouse is? When you refresh the page, it should come out way better. Now, you see it's properly sized this time. Now, there's a black bar up here, and there's a black bar down here. Now, you can play with the sizes. If you want to get rid of these black bars, you might have to go back and go 640 by 480 or whatever you want to do to get rid of these black bars. Some people don't mind the black bars there. Other people, it bothers them. Me, personally, it doesn't bother me. So now let's play the video and see if I'm all scrunched up. That's way better. See? There you go. That's what you want. So now the video is the appropriate size. Okay? So let's review that. So first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your YouTube account. You want to copy and paste, right? So you want to take this and remember, click on the embed code, right? And then just go over, open up your WordPress, copy and paste it into either a new post, or you can even do it on a new page. And the new page is, where is it? Right here, Pages. If you want to click on Add New, just name the page and then insert your videos. Normally, I do new posts because I'm posting new videos all the time, but it works the exact same way. All you have to do is copy and paste that embed code, and if it's not the right size for video, then find a size that works, either 640 by 480, you can go up. Remember, though, when you go up in size, relative size, it may take longer for the video to load, so usually 640 by 480 is a good size for YouTube. Any more, like if you get into 1024 by 768, that's more high definition. It's going to show more information, but it's also going to send more information over the internet, and it might be a little bit slower, so that might slow your page down. So I go 640 by 480. So folks, I hope this helped you, and that is how you take an embed code from YouTube and put it into your WordPress page or blog. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next show. Bye-bye.